So today we're looking at day 3 of our 11-day journey of looking at our 11-step business planning process. Now, we know that our business planning is based around the acronym of SMART. Those are goals that are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. So that is basically how we're going to build and how we're proceeding to build our business plan. And again, today is day 3 of 11 days as I take you through the 11-step process that I built based on the business plan building from other people. So I've taken the best of what I thought would help you build a business plan that you can put in effect that's going to be smart for you, right? So today is day 3, and we're talking about the SWOT acronym. Look above my head, right above my glasses on the screen. You'll see the acronym SWOT. And today we're just going to take a second just to clarify what SWOT means to you. So as you're building your business plan, one of the things you have to do is look at your strengths, weaknesses, the opportunities you have, and threats that may prevent you from enacting your business plan. All right. So let's just quickly take a look at this. This is totally unscripted. So I'm just going to pull up the screen and we're just going to talk about it. So this happens to be an element, a piece in the Tom Ferry coaching planning that is taught to students of Tom Ferry. The SWOT analysis by no means belongs to Tom Ferry. It doesn't belong to anybody. As a matter of fact, I tried to research as to who really is the inventor of SWOT. I couldn't find that. Maybe I needed to look a little deeper. And you might do that yourself. One thing I might suggest is you simply Google SWOT, S-W-O-T. You're going to find so many explanations as to what SWOT is and how to put it into place. But here's basically what it talks about. A SWOT analysis complements your vision, and that's what we're doing, right? We're looking at your vision for next year. Your vision tells you where you're going. Your SWOT analysis helps describe where you are with a clear assessment of where you stand. The more effectively you can plan and build a bridge to your future. Write as many points as necessary to be thorough. So here's the example. The strengths for this person is creating, or something they want to do is creating engaging, informative videos for social media. And they're good at that. They can do that. Their weakness is a non-standardized, inefficient transaction management system. Sound familiar? Opportunities. The agent who dominates the area adjacent to my geographic farm is retiring. So that area has good farming potential. And threats? Well, the competition just opened an office to better serve the area that includes my geographic farm. So that's a threat. So as you build yours, you're going to be looking at your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and your threats. Now, as you build your business plan, you know there's going to be, which we're going to cover in just a couple days, there's going to be several areas in the real estate, in the real estate world that you can choose to focus on. You know, if you wanted a geographic farm, this might be a perfect example. If you wanted to knock doors, what would you use? What would you put in strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats? Think about whatever you want to put into place, and this will help you build a better plan for that specific goal that you have. So we'll talk about this more today. We're actually, for those watching the recording, you won't be able to, but today in our office at Exit Realty Elite, we're actually having a training event where we're going to talk about all the elements of the 11-step business plan that I built for you. Hopefully that will provide you with the very best business plan that you've ever had. At least that's the goal that I have for you. So take a look at your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats for your area, whatever it might be. I'll help you with this. All you need to do is talk to me, and that's day 3. I hope you're having a great day. We'll talk soon.